Hi everyone, welcome to Data Server. My name is Taiwo. Our topic today is to show you how to export data from SQL database server to an Excel spreadsheet. In this tutorial, we're going to be using SQL Server Management Studio, the latest version. Also, before we go further, please note this tutorial is useful for students studying data analysis and the beginners. The new SQL beginners can be have this tutorial as a way out to start from as a beginner. Also, the essence of this particular tutorial is to show you how to manage large data set, because take note that when you are using large data set running to millions of data, Excel cannot efficiently handle such. So let me load our before I go for that, let me just show you this very crucial important point when you are doing, especially for those who want to do the installation for the first time. So when you install your SQL Server Management Studio, make sure you install all these parameters. It's very crucial because especially the SQL Server Integration Service, if it's not installed, because this is what is going to automate the wizard, is not going to work. So all the listed showing on this screen is very crucial that you have to install them. So I'm going to load our SQL Server Management Studio to demonstrate straight away what we want to do. So we're going to export our table to Excel file. So let me show you our Excel file. So this is my blank Excel file. I'm going to load the blank Excel file. It's loading. That's it. You see, it's blank. Nothing is in there. We just have only sheet 1. This is where we're going to export our data to. I'm going to close it. Close. Nothing is there. So the next thing to do is for us to extract data, or you can use the word either export or extract. It's the same thing. So we have to take note of, because if you look at this database, if I minimize the expansion, you can see we have Adventure Works 2014, 2019. I believe the project for data analysis now is Adventure Work 2019. So all you need to do, say supposing, because sometimes you will require to extract that data to use it in Excel, for maybe you want to create a report in pivot table to demonstrate in your project. So supposing I want to extract one of these data table from the Adventure Works 2019, all I need to do, I will right mouse click. Let me just show you the one I'm after. I want to extract data from my sales order details. So this is my sales order details. Let me go see what we have there. Right mouse click, select top 100. How many data we have there? You can see this is our sales data details. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 column by how many record? We have 542 record. So now I want to extract this data to Microsoft Excel, the one I showed you initially, which is this one, the blank. I'm going to export it to this blank page. So the next thing to do, I'll close it. Then I will go to the, make sure you minimize the expansion, expand database. So I go to right mouse click on Adventure, make sure, because I've already have those database name. On the database name, go to task and go to export data. This is a bit complex. You have to follow the wizard base. Don't do mistake. Just follow the tutorial. You will be rest assured you're going to get the right data you want to use. So the data source will show you this as default net framework data provided for ODBC. You have to change it to SQL Server Native Client 11.0. Then this local host is the default. You leave it as it is. Use window authentication, because I'm using it for personal use at my home, so that is okay. So for you, those of you working in the office, you might need to put username and password, but that's the default for home user. So basically, database is already selected. I have multiple database name, but this I want to work on this Adventure Works. The next thing, I'll click next. Also, destination, I have to change it to Microsoft Excel. So then Excel file part, I have to go and look for my Excel where I want that data to reside, which is this SQL Excel blank. I will select that. It's in my SQL 2019 folder. I will click open. So the default showing Excel 2007, 2010 is okay. You have 2013 or 16, but anything from 2010 is the same data type of Excel format. Then I will click next. So copy data from one or more table or view. That is the default. You leave it as it is. You click next. So these are all the table and view. So this is where you have to select the particular table you want. Remember, we want to extract data from our sales order details. This is our sales order details. Then I click this. As I said, if you click multiple, but because of time, in your practical section on your own, you can do that to extract all the data table onto a single Excel file. But this time around, I'm going to do this only. I'll click next. I can preview it before I go for that. These are all our data, as you can see. Yes, okay. Then I click next. Then I click next. Primary run immediately. So getting towards the ending, and we click finish. See, it's going to tell you if it's successfully. See, the execution was successfully closed. That's it. All you need to do. Let's go to our Excel file and load it. You can see it's now 49K in size. Automatically shows that that data is successfully export to our Excel file. So this is all what you need to understand. Remember, this is sheet 1. This is the one we just see. This is our data. See is 9 column, and if you see our record, we go back here. Is show you 71,543 record. See, this is all you need to understand when it comes to transferring data from Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio to Excel. So sky is limit. Come for more tutorial to unleash your potential. We train on Microsoft Excel, Power BI, SQL, and some other management tools. Microsoft Access. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I remain your style. Stay blessed. Bye.